Hello,
Hello,
can you please tell me your name?
my name is SIRJANA.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
Are you married or single?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have any children?
I have one daughter.
What is your religion?
I'm Christian.
What is your academic qualification?
I complete secondary level.
Do you have any habit like drinking or smoking?
No.
What work experience do you have?
Uh, I have working as a dishwasher for 3 years in Nepal, Grand Academy Hostel.
Okay. What were your job responsibility there?
There I have to do was used dishes, dish wiping dishes and arrange dishes in cupboard.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Romania?
I want to come to Romania for work, earn money, support my family to make bright future of my daughter.
Okay. How long will you stay there?
More than 3 years.
Do you know anyone in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.